Simple Past Tense Challenge Part 2. Question number 1. Fill in the blank. We blah 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 lunch together at a small cafe yesterday. Choose the correct answer. A. It. B. It. C. Ate. D. Eating. The answer is C. Ate. Ate is the correct past tense form verb 2 of the verb eat. Why this answer? The time marker yesterday tells us the actions happened in the past. Therefore, we must use the past tense form of it, which is ate. The other options are incorrect because they are not past tense forms. Question number 2. I blah 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 my keys on the table this morning, but now they are gone. A. Leave. B. Left. C. Leaves. D. Lived. The answer is B. Left. Left is the irregular past form of live. The form lived is incorrect. Explanation: why this answer? The sentence uses this morning as the time marker, indicating past tense. Live is an irregular verb, so its past form is left, not lived. Remember, irregular verbs don't follow the regular ed pattern. Question number 3. Did you blah 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 the loud noise last night? A. Hear. B. Heard. C. Hears. D. Hearing. Let's check the answer. The answer is A. Hear. Why this is correct? In questions using did, the verb returns to the base form or verb 1, which is hear. The auxiliary did already indicates past tense, so the main verb stays in its base form. Question number 4. My sister blah 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 beautiful song and the concert last Saturday. A. Sing. B. Sings. C. Sang. D. Sung. The answer is C. Sang. Why? Because sang is the past form or verb 2 of sing. The time marker last Saturday indicates we need to use the simple past tense. Question number 5. They blah 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 not come to my house last night. A. Do. B. Does. C. Did. D. Was. The answer is C. Did. Why? To make negative past sentences, use did plus not or didn't. The structure is subject plus did plus not plus space verb. Here, did not come is in the correct past negative form. Question number 6. The weather, blah blah blah, very cold when we stayed in Bandung. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was. D. Were. The answer is C. Was. The subject, the weather, is singular, so the past tense of to be is was. And then key point, when describing status or conditions in the past, use was for singular subjects, I, he, she, it, the weather, and were for plural subjects, we, they, you. Question number 7. Mr. Andy blah 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 English in the school 10 years ago. A. Teach. B. Teaches. C. Taught. D. Teaching. The answer is C. Taught. This is the correct past tense form of the verb teach. Why? Because taught is the past form or verb 2 of teach. This is an irregular verb, so it does not follow the regular ed pattern. The time marker 10 years ago confirms we need the past tense. Question number 8. Where blah 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 you go for last summer holiday? A. Do. B. Does. C. Did. D. Were. The answer is C. Did. Why? Because in WH questions about the past, we use the auxiliary verb did. The main verb go stays in its base form or verb 1 when did is present in the question. Question number 9. I blah 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 letter to my grandmother 2 days ago. A. Write. B. Wrote. D. See. Writes. D. Written. The answer is B. Wrote. Why? Because wrote is the past form of verb 2 of write. The time marker 2 days ago tells us to use the simple past tense because it is indicating the time signal of the past. Options A and C are present tense forms and D is the past participle. The last question number 10. My friends blah 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 very happy after they won the game. A. Was. B. Were. C. Is. D. Are. The answer is B, were. For the explanation, my friends is a plural subject, so the past tense of the verb to be must also be plural. The correct form is were, not was. Remember, singular subjects use was, plural subjects use were. Answer key summary. You can review your answer below. Each correct answer uses the proper past tense form. 1. C. Ate, past form of ate. B. Left, irregular past of leave. 3. A. Hear, past form after did. C. Sang, past form of sing. 5. C. Did, forms past negatives. 6. C. Was, singular subject uses was. 7. C. Taught, past form of did. 8. C. Did, auxiliary for past questions. 9. B. Wrote, past form of write. 10. B. Were, plural subjects uses were. And then was or were versus did. When to use was or were? Use was or were when there is no action verb in the sentence. They describe status, qualities, or conditions. For examples, I was happy yesterday. They were tired after the trip. The weather was so cold, and we were at school. And then when to use did when there is an action verb. Did is used to form questions and negatives in the past tense. For example, I did not eat breakfast. Did you see the movie? She did not go to the party. Did they finish their homework? Thank you and keep practicing. Keep practicing to improve your English skills.